Today we're making a delicious baked frittata together, an easy and versatile dish, perfect for using up leftovers, rich in eggs, cheese, and ingredients of your choice. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, salt and pepper, 50 grams of grated cheese such as pecorino or parmesan, herbs to taste such as parsley, basil, and chives, 1 small onion, optional, extra virgin olive oil, extra ingredients of your choice such as vegetables, zucchini, peppers, spinach, cured meats such as cooked ham and speck, cheeses such as mozzarella and goat cheese. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until you have a smooth mixture. Add the milk and grated cheese to the mixture and mix well. If you want to add onion, slice it thinly and lightly sauté it in a pan with a drizzle of oil until it becomes translucent. Incorporate the chopped herbs and any other extra ingredients you've chosen into the egg mixture, including the onion if you've decided to use it. Pour a drizzle of oil into an oven-proof dish and spread it all over the surface to prevent the frittata from sticking. Pour the mixture into the dish and bake for about 25-30 minutes, or until the frittata is golden on top and cooked through in the center. Let it cool for a few minutes before cutting the frittata into portions and serving it. Remember that you can customize your frittata with any ingredients you prefer or have on hand, making it a new dish every time. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Baked frittata can be made ahead and eaten cold, and it's perfect for picnics, buffets, or as an office lunch. Enjoy!